Good morning, trucking junkies. We are here at North American Stainless, and as you can see, it rained last night. We got here last night after we dropped off that bar over in Georgetown. It was raining there too, so I didn't film anything. But we got here, man, it was storming big time. Well, this is our new trailer. We're gonna get rid of 15307. We're gonna pick up 15195. All that junk, I have no idea what that is. That's gonna go away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holy crap. They got 4 square boards on here. We're gonna have to take 2 of them off. We only want 2, and then we'll have to switch all of our bevels over here. Hold on a minute, maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes they have these in cradles and they don't use our bevels. 5, 6. Okay, cool. So all we need to do is take 2 of those boards and we'll stick them in our trailer, and then we got to take the 6 bevels out and stick them on the top of the trailer. They have to go on the end. And then we've got 1, 2, water. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 coil racks that need to go on the back of the trailer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coil pads that go on the back of the trailer. And then all of these straps, when we take them off, they go on the back of the trailer. And then they're gonna have 4 bungees on the back of the trailer, plus this yellow tarp. And that's what we're gonna leave today, because that's what they've got on this trailer, okay? We're gonna replace the straps with chains. And when we get this off, I'll show you that tag right there, and it'll tell you how much these things weigh, okay? And then that'll determine how many chains we're gonna put on it, all right? They're stainless. Yeah. Yeah. Almost. Try it again. Not bad. And if you can, if you got time, you see stuff like this laying on the ground, pick it up and get rid of it. There's a dumpster right over here that people should be using. Okay, so now I want you to pull the truck forward, no more than 5 miles an hour, and we're gonna back it up into that hole right there. All right, sweet. Then we'll get you dried off when we get done. Yeah, it happens. Let's see how he does putting it in this hole. Number 125. It's starting to get humid out here. But it's not hot, so that's good. So far he's doing all right, getting her set up the way it should be. Nice. I don't think he's gonna have any problem at all getting it in that hole. It's a big old hole, but you know, it's a good one to start on. That trailer needs to be washed. The only thing he forgot was his flashers. That's all right. We'll teach him. Looking at his mirrors, I can see him. Doing pretty good. Not really fishtailing any. That's good. You're gonna have to angle it a little bit to get it in there right, but he'll get it in there. And when I'm talking about fishtailing, I mean the back of the trailer, you know, fishtailing in like that. Not bad, not bad. Look at him, you look like a champ. Yeah, keep on coming, there you go. Yeah. He's going slow, got good pedal control. I think he's going a little bit too far now, but that's all right. We're trying to get it in there in one shot. One thing you have to, for you new drivers out here, you don't have to get it in there at one shot. Okay? You can use all your room. Now he's straightening it up now, that's good. But see, the way he's angled now, he can't see this pole right here. I'm gonna help him out a little bit. We got it. Giving himself plenty of room to get in. Not bad. Not bad at all. How'd that feel? Yeah? Not bad. You only forgot one thing. What do you do when you're backing up? Flashers. Once he tries it a couple of times, I'll show him how to get it in there almost every time. He might get it this time though. Check him out. All right. Now slam it. It's too high. Hold on a minute. Go ahead and pull out. I'm going to try to lower it just a little bit. Try it again. Money. Yeah, buddy. That was an excellent job. You don't even need to know my tricks. You just get it in there. If you ever have problems, I'll tell you anyway. If you ever have problems backing her up and getting her lined up right, this edge, about the middle of that edge. If you can line this edge up with that every time, it'll go in just about every time. Okay? And sometimes you're angled just a little bit, but you did great. And that's fine. I angle them in sometimes. Sometimes you have to because you're in a tight spot, right? Good job. Everything good? Sweet. All right, man. Boards, bungees, boxes. What's the other one? Bar. Sweet. 4 Bs. Man, let's get out of here.